This is the famous Impossible Cake, a recipe that is a hit wherever it goes. Everyone who tries it is impressed. It's quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. You can't resist. Start by adding a cup of sugar to a pan. Turn on the heat and stir until the sugar melts and turns into caramel. When it reaches this point, gradually add half a cup of hot water and mix until it is completely liquid. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. At this point, it's perfect. Now transfer all this syrup to a cake pan. Once done, using a spatula, spread it very well along the sides of the pan, just like I'm doing. Next, add 4 eggs to the blender. Then, add a small can of condensed milk. After that, add 1 cup of milk, remembering that my cup is 240 milliliters. Then, add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now cover and let it beat for about 2 minutes. And tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to know how far it will reach. Transfer all this mixture to the mold with the caramel. Use a spoon so as not to spread the caramel like this. In another container, add 3 eggs, then a cup of sugar. Now mix these ingredients very well. And if you are looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe to impress everyone, you just found it. Save it so you don't lose it. Next, add a cup of milk, then half a cup of oil. Then, add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix again very well. Right after that, add 200 grams of wheat flour. Then, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 50% cocoa. Mix until completely dissolved. At this point, it is perfect. Now, add a spoonful of baking powder. Mix again until completely dissolved. Add all this batter to the pan on top of the other part of the recipe. Every time I make this cake at home, it's a success. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your home, I'm sure it will be no different. Let's bake it in a water bath. So, place this pan inside a larger one and add water up to the halfway point. Next, cover it with aluminum foil, like this. Put it in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for approximately 50 minutes. And our Impossible Cake is ready, folks. Now just turn it onto a plate and check out the result better. And look how amazing this recipe turns out. Simply wonderful. Make it at your home and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. If you made it this far, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe here in the comments. In your opinion, what rating does this cake deserve? Now, I'll leave it here, a big hug, and see you in the next video.